Yo, what's up, YouTube? Hey, so I'm outside, man, with my car, bro. I'm excited with how far it's come. I'm going to be doing an audio build, man. And hey, look, the car's coming together, and I want to be able to bring people a part of this journey. So I'm in the parking lot right now. It don't matter where it's at, but it's a spot for me to go ahead and show y'all how the car is sounding right now. My idea of where I want to be with it when I'm done. You know what I'm saying? I got it from Ground One, stock speakers, paper speakers, real not good quality. It had that rattle to it, that I'm about to blow out sound, you know what I mean? That change me please, man, so after investing a little bit of money, getting some things replaced, even finding some components like the factory sub in the car was blown out, didn't work at all, so all you had was highs and mids. So after doing a junk removal job, I do junk removal. So after doing one of those jobs, actually that wasn't even my job. I was working with a family friend. They were doing junk removal, so I helped them out. And I found a house speaker actually that was the same size that I needed, a 10-inch. So I threw it in the back of the car. It's been working. So I'm happy about that. That gave it a little oomph. So after that little oomph though, and putting in these AutoZone speakers, man, it's been sounding all right. But now I got a focal in there, basically, so with that one focal that I've gotten, I will go ahead and say it, man, given to me by my uncle, you know what I mean? It's changed the trajectory, and I'm proud of it. And the fact that I'm proud of it, I think it's something that I should share, because I believe I have the car already on YouTube from when I got it, and me doing things to it to get up to par, at least to my standards. I'm sure everybody got a standard for their car, but where I'm at right now, I'm happy with it, and I want to share that with the channel. Bro, I have been tripping over this focal speaker though. I've been tripping over this focal speaker, man. This shit, the way this added sound to this car. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. I hope you can though, because I'm proud of it. But look, if you can hear it in the background, it's beating now, man. It's beating now. That shit sounds so crazy. Hey, I can't get over it, and I want to go crazy with it now. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, man, bro, okay, now I got some content to put out, bro. So if you want to follow along with this shit, man, please subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And see where we're gonna go with it, bro. Because now I'm fucking hooked. You know what I'm saying? Like, now shit gotta happen for me to go ahead and get this shit right. Because one thing that's gonna make me happy in this world is sound. That's one thing that's gonna make me happy in this fucking world, bro, is motherfucking good quality music. No cap. So I'm with Milo, man. I got a little fly little Milo with me, man. We outside, man. Bumping some music, bro. You know what I'm saying? Had to tell moms we'll be right back. But this shit beating. We're not done. We're not nowhere near done. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to let y'all in right now while I'm still building it, man. You can see the completion. Cause you know what I'm saying, you gotta appreciate what you got, man. When you get things, when you get blessed like this, you know what I'm saying, you gotta appreciate what you got and make it better. You know what I'm saying? If it's not at the top of the line, make your shit the way you want it. You know what I'm saying? So that's where we at right now. Oh man, that motherfucker knocking. Man, it's a Cadillac though. It's supposed to. It's supposed to do that.
You didn't expect me to just turn you around, spread it out. That I got you. Almost this. You got a nigga on phone like a T-Pain show with Tallahassee. Never put that ass on hold, I'm too nasty. Don't ever underestimate T-Pain. You should've known when I was biting on your belly button chain. That you about to receive some of that guitar talk. Trying to tell me not to do it like you don't want none. Trying to sit up in the bed, trying to act all calm. Acting like it ain't good, trying to hold that calm. But you know that on the man. You know you could ever say. This the first 10 minutes, you ain't that shit yet. I got the chain, I got the handcuffs too. But it ain't none of that for me, I'm about to handcuff you. That's the freaking shit.
Now, when I had all factory speakers in there, man, this is what I went to AutoZone to go grab. You know what I'm saying? Some Kenwoods, right? Decent speakers, man. When your system sound like butt, right, at the moment, man, $15 for get some of these, man. I ain't gonna even hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. AutoZone. They not sponsoring me. I'm gonna say that right now. I'm not sponsored by AutoZone. But you know what I'm saying, just to help some folks out that, you know, are into music and you trying to goddamn get right real quick, $15 at AutoZone, you be okay. You be okay for the moment. Now my driver's side right here, bro, that one did crack. It did crack right here. But I be beating though, man. I have my shit turned up. I like loud music. I like my shit to knock. But so you get what you pay for, basically. You get what you pay for. $15, hey, it knocks, you hear it. That's that auto, that's that right there. That's that one right there in that door. And I gotta get some sound deadening. I don't know why it rattling like that. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't even know. That's that motherfucking Focal though. Yeah. That's that Focal though. So you can get right with one of these, for sure. But I'm letting you know the difference of when you got them getting right and then when you, as you're building your system piece by piece and you start to hear how that sound changes, man, you gonna fucking love it. You gotta keep going. I'm just letting you know. So I say, you know, I'm telling you my ideas and the fuck I'm thinking in my head, basically, you know what I'm saying, where I'm going with the shit, man. And as I've just been patiently waiting, you know what I'm saying, collectively getting my shit piece by piece, I came across the Focal. You know what I'm saying? So I'm letting you know the wait is worth it, bro. Just keep going to it. You know what I'm saying? Bro or bro wait, don't matter. Keep going to it. If I'm gonna put you on game, you can get this right here for $15. I got 2 more speakers to grab for these rear doors right here. But right now where I'm at in the front, I'm good. You know, I got the factory sub back there, but we getting together piece by piece. Still got the factory radio. Still beating though. Still beating. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I gotta give a huge thank you to my uncle though, my Uncle Byron, man, for I ain't gonna say his name, fuck that, I'm gonna cut that out. My uncle though for goddamn giving me that Focal. I looked the price up on that thing, that's just $480 compared to $15. The change is different, but I've been looking now and dive deep into Focal, bro. At this point. I've dived deep into Focal. And now it's the quality of the sound is crazy, basically. So it depends on where you want to go with your sound system. If you want quality, man, that Focal is definitely gonna do it. The way I gotta tell you, that one Focal, bro, has changed the way the music sounds in the car. Like adding that piece to the puzzle has really brought the quality of my music inside up a couple notches. Let me also say this too. Now, you know how to put the camera so I can see me. Now, I put that Kenwood in that passenger door for a few days, right? It was sounding good, you know what I mean? It was okay. It was okay. Now that I sit here and think about it as I'm chopping it up with y'all, it was in there for a few days. It sounded cool, but it wasn't hitting like it's hitting now, man. It just was not. Some unk say, yeah, here, because you know we cleaning up the garage, and he got a 12-inch in there that I asked about, right? You know, because he's cleaning the garage out. So you got speakers in here. I'm doing the system. Hey, why not fucking ask about it? You know what I'm saying? So I asked about it. You know, he said, okay, look, that could be payment. You help me clean the garage out. I'll throw you that right there. Boom, bop, bam, deal. Okay, so we're not there yet. We're gonna get there to clean the garage out and I get that. I don't got that shit. But as we're going through and just looking at shit in the garage, Focal sitting right there. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying, what is a Focal? What is it? You know what I'm saying? Ask questions about it and shit. He say, oh shit, you can have that too. I don't know if it works. You hook it up to work. I said, okay, cool, I'm gonna take that. You know what I mean? I'm gonna grab that. You know what I'm saying? For the moment, you know what I mean? Because I'm thinking, building a system here. Don't miss opportunities. You know what I'm saying? If you got opportunity, he called you over here, you know what I'm saying? Take the opportunity. Don't pass it up. Don't, because you living in the right now. You know what I'm saying? I could have not took it then and then came back later and asked about it and couldn't have had it. You know what I'm saying? So if you live in the right now, make your chance to take your moves right now. Basically, that's what I did. So I got the Focal, man. Bro, I was gonna go get pizza for the family, right? So, you know, okay, I gotta wait here 10 minutes. I got the Focal with me. My door panel keep falling off. You know what I'm saying? It's Cadillac, bro. If you got an 04 Cadillac, you know what I'm talking about. That plastic is trash. It's okay though, there's ways around that. Not really, but you gotta repair some shit. Whatever. You can repair it. So my shit's still fucked up though, right? So I get to the pizza spot. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting in the parking lot. I just decide to go ahead and pull that off and hook up the Focal, bro. Man, from that point on, sound quality is just different. It's different, you know. So, bro, if y'all want to see this shit get built, man, definitely stick around. Definitely stick around. So we're not done yet. I showed you a little bit of speaker, man. It's knocking. I can't take that door panel off right now, but you know, you can hear the comparison. You can see it. The cones is even thicker on that speaker, man. I feel like I got to go ahead and do all Focal, if we're being honest. Somehow, some way. Focal is it's not cheap at all. It's not cheap at all. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like now, patiently waiting, we got to go Focal. It's a Cadillac luxury vehicle. They make high quality music. It's a high quality vehicle. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna treat it that way. Gotta go Focal. But I felt the need to, man, to, you know what I'm saying, make the video, bro. You know what I'm saying? And really just say fuck it and do it. You know what I'm saying? There's not much videos on the page, but you know, goddamn have to get used to the camera. You know what I'm saying? So y'all want to see this shit get built up, bro? Rock with me, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe, like the video, all that good shit. This shit sounds good though.
You didn't expect me to go long. Now you know. From the top to the bottom. Now that I got you, almost this. Almost this. And now I know. You didn't expect me to just turn you around, spread it.
Now, these are the before videos, man. You guys see it. So these is what was in there. I'm gonna put this in the back too, though. It's gonna help. It's gonna sound better than the stock speakers, regardless in the back, right? It's gonna sound better. So I'm gonna add this to the back. Hold on. I had to change the song, man. I just kept playing over and over. But like I was saying, I forgot what I was saying. Look at this dude, bro. Look at this dude, bro. You guys where I'm at, huh? Hey, so it's sounding good now, man. Some people they park their car and they back up, right? That's as loud as it go, but it's gonna get louder, man. So look, this right here, I got this extra. Now that I got an extra speaker, I can put this to use. I just took it out to put in the front. You know what I mean? But this can still go to use. So for us to use this speaker, the back door panel is gonna come off. I'm gonna replace the stock one with this one. It's gonna sound better. You know, it's steps, man. You can't rush it. You know, you work with what you have, and you level up. You know what I'm saying? And as you continue to level up, you appreciate the journey as you go. You know what I'm saying? Because you're making good progress, and that's what we're gonna do. So if y'all want to see it come together, please subscribe. You know what I mean? Like the video. Let me know if you have speakers. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you got going on if you'd like to. You know, subs coming soon. Not soon. I'm not gonna say soon. Right now, we still at the factory headset. You know, but we're gonna get something new. Eventually, I ain't gonna say soon, man. We don't know how long it's gonna take. You know, patience is a virtue. But it's coming. So when it comes, you know, if you guys want to just know what's going on with the car, I'll definitely post more. You know, because I do believe in YouTube. Definitely believe in YouTube. You know what I mean? It's the thing is, you know, what the content gonna be. You know, I think I got some here, so definitely open to keeping people updated about this, and you know, maybe it'll go somewhere else. I think that's all I got for the night, man. It's time to get back home. It's a little late. But not even just the system though, you guys. The car as well too. You know, I'm gonna do some stuff with the car as well. You know, it's the whole vehicle is the project. You know, but right now I'm highly motivated about the system, so that's what I'm gonna start the content with. You know, we've done some things under the hood to make it run better, and it runs smooth now. You know, it's a North Star. People are afraid of North Star, but I'm not. Fuck it, I'm not. You know what I'm saying? Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. So if anything happens, God forbid, we can make something happen to make it, you know, get back to happening. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, peace from the west to the east, bro. Y'all know me, man. Tooski, I got to go. Car sounds amazing. I hope that I can touch some speaker fanatics, you know what I'm saying? Like, here's a journey. Let's goddamn get to it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's about all I got. Trying this YouTube shit, man. See if it works, bro. And I'll try to do, I'll try to definitely some how-tos, man. Look, I'm getting shit done. I may not be doing it the best, though. Hold me to that. I'm not doing it the best. So that's where you guys can come in if you got tips and shit. I'm taking tips. You know what I'm saying? Pause. I'm taking all types of information that's gonna goddamn, you know, get us right. Especially tune-in sound, bro. I barely know about wires. You know what I'm saying? But making this shit work. I know I'm gonna need some alternator and batteries, because I'm about to goddamn, I can do some shit with it on the low though, because I want it to be subtle. I don't want to go crazy with this one, but I do want it to sound nice. I do want it to sound high quality as hell. You know what I'm saying? I want it to sound like, god damn, what that noise is. If I went to cool, bro, I got to have quality sound. I have to. I have to. It got to be crazy, the most beautiful bliss type of frequency. When you like, damn, I don't want to get out this car. You know what I'm saying? That's how I like my shit, man. If I were to go for anything, it should be fucking sound. Because that's what makes me truly happy, is sound. You know what I'm saying? Chase, what makes you happy? Sound makes me happy. It does. And that could be me coming to that realization, like, that's what I should be getting into. It's sound. So, yeah. Fuck with me on the damn journey, man. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. We going up with it. You hear me? That's all I got, man. I'll catch y'all next time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I don't know what I'm gonna do for a thumbnail. So, fuck, but whatever. Peace. It's a secret society. Oh yes, it's shiny. All we got is love. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. I'm full Kenny now. My resume is real enough for 2 millennium. A better way to make a way, start defending them. I meditate and moderate all of my wins again. I'm hanging on the fence again. I'm always on your mind. I put my lyric and my lifeline on the line. Ain't no limit when I might shine, might grind. You rolling with it at the right time, right now. Only for the dollar sign. There, girl, living now. Swear, leaving now. On your clothes like a CDM. Gas on the bitch like it's premium. Hard ass on the bitch, all in the fast lane. Man, y'all might love this journey, bro. Cause look, I got it on low volume, right? Not much bass, but I hear some fucking weird. I hear some static. I think it's coming from the back. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I can hear it. So that door on the passenger driver's, not passenger driver. The door on the passenger rear, maybe the one to get replaced next. Cause bro, I'm like I said in the video, man, our quality sound. It's crazy how that shit's lining up right now, bro. I'm just boom, boom, boom. Yep, I know what's next. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So I'll try to figure out thumbnail some shit. Yeah, that's it, man. Peace.